The activity we're going to demonstrate and describe is a wheelbarrow. So first question we'll address is identify a population that could benefit from sensory motor integration.
So there are two types of populations that could benefit from this activity. The first one is people with vestibular disease, and the second one is children with ADHD, specifically children who have excessive energy and can't stay still.
Can you please describe the activity?
Yes, so the wheelbarrow walk has two people, and one is acting as the wheelbarrow, one's acting as the driver, and so the driver is going to hold the ankles of the person that's the wheelbarrow, while the person that's the wheelbarrow is going to walk using their hands and try to balance. And so they're going to show you how it's done.
Okay. Can you please explain which sensory systems are being targeted by this activity?
The first is proprioception, which is sensitive to change in position of joints, to change in length of muscle. This is done by the person holding the legs, manipulating the wheelbarrow's body to propel forward. The next is tactile sensory movement, which is the sense of touch. This is when the wheelbarrow's hands are touching the surface of the ground to propel forward. The next is vestibular sensory movement, which is the sense of balance. This is done by manipulating the wheelbarrow's vestibular system's equilibrium and the person holding their legs keeping balance for them.
Thank you. And can you please explain how this activity could lead to improvements in sensory motor integration?
So, continuous use of this type of movement can help with familiarity with muscles and joints, and also body awareness, which has to do with proprioception, and it can also help with attention, and it can also help with balance, which has to do with the vestibular system.